Back and forth. See how my roses are in a triangle? I know, and you guys, I know this is very makeshift. It's very hard because you're trying to hold the flowers and you're trying to do the flowers. We have big tables and you get to come in and throw everything down and have a glass of wine while you're doing it.
So do you have brides come like the day before their wedding,
Yep.
their wedding party to do it? That's what you do?
Her question was, do they come the day before? You can come up to 2.5 days before because you want your flowers to open and you want them to look good for the day of the wedding. So sometimes the day before isn't the best because you don't want them so tight. Like if you have roses, these were super tight the other day. They're just now starting to open. And I think that I went up to the wholesale house and picked these up on Thursday morning. And they're just now starting to open. Some people like things a little more compact. Or maybe you like them maybe more up and down. I mean, it depends on your look and what you like. The one thing about this concept is that you will never leave without liking your flowers. You will always like your wedding flowers because you did them. So, then you have, and some of you may not, so you have to let me know, but you should have some type of filler. Your filler flowers have a lot of breaks in them, so you can kind of break them off. We have scissors here too. So you can make more stems than one. And you just guide this through, pull it down. Now the best part of this is when you use a grid like this or a hydrangea or something, they're not going to fall apart. Look it, now I can hold it like this. There's nothing, it's not going anywhere. What we do when we're finished is Laura and I then will tape them for you. And then when you're at our shop, then we have a whole wall of ribbon. And you get to come, you pick the ribbon that you want, we wrap it with the ribbon, or we teach you. Sometimes we have a concept that's a technique that's called French braiding. And we've had people do that before where maybe they'll wrap it in ivory and then they'll French braid it in royal blue or something, if you have another color you want to bring in. So we do all that. The last thing you would do, and some of you have greens and some of you don't have greens, and I apologize. We kind of got crazy and we used them on here and on there. And all of a sudden we're like, oh, we don't have any greens left. So I'm sorry for that. But this is just a very simple, this is, obviously you would have a lot more if you came in. So it just kind of gives you an idea. And if you come up here, we'll cut these off for you and we'll tie them for you so that you can take them with you, okay?